Yeah, it's real. I can see his face both directions. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos over the last 2 years, or if you're a brand new subscriber, thank you guys so much for subscribing. It means a lot. I never really thought I'd make money on these videos, but this is gonna go directly to helping make this truck cooler and helping make some more projects to add some more videos to the channel. So I really just want to make this video to say thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. A lot of times I kind of feel like I don't really know what to do in a lot of this stuff, so your comments have been super helpful. And to say thank you to you guys, I made some shirts, and I'm gonna be picking 3 to 5 people, depending on how many people comment, probably 3 people down in the comments below. Just say, I want a free shirt, and then after that, say maybe like your favorite video or just something. And then in about a month, I'm gonna pick 3 of those people randomly, and I'm gonna ship you guys some free shirts. It says like, I'll show you the picture right now. It says like a little Dodge Power Wagon on the front, a little American flag on the back. But I don't have much to say besides thank you guys so much for watching these videos. It really means a lot. And I'm stoked that YouTube's finally paying me a little bit. Let's go DIY Scott.